Welcome to Lesson 10. And remember, all lessons are available at MessianicJudaismNetwork.com. And most lessons have a quiz, but not the one today. Today we'll introduce two Hebrew letters. First, the TET. The TET makes the T sound as in taco. It's the same sound as the TAV, which you studied in an earlier lesson. This Hebrew word begins with the TET. It's talit, the Hebrew word for prayer shawl, a garment worn during morning or daytime prayers. The main part of the talit is the tzitzit, which is a tassel, which is commanded to be worn in the Tanakh. It's to bring to remembrance the commandments of God. Remember when the woman was healed by touching the hem of Jesus' garment? She was actually touching his tzitzit. Let's look at this word more closely. We have the tet with the patach. This makes the ta sound. The next letter is the lamed with the hirik. This makes the li sound. The third letter does not make an audible sound in this word. And the final letter is the tav, which makes the same sound as the tet, the t sound. So we put it together, talit. The second letter is the VAV, which makes the V sound similar to the vet that you learned in an earlier lesson. You studied the VAV holam in the earlier lesson also. The VAV holam makes the O sound, but without the dot at the top, it makes the V sound as in video. So let's take this Hebrew word, davar, which means word. The dalet has the patach underneath, so it's the da sound for the first letter. The second letter is the vav with a kamatz, so it makes the va sound. The last letter is the resh, makes the sound. So this turns out to davar. Most of the time when you see the vav, it takes the place of the English word and. Here's an example. The Hebrew word masculine for you is ata. If you wanted to say and you in a Hebrew sentence, you would add the vav and make the word ve'ata, which means and you. So let's review the two letters again. The tet makes the t sound as in taco, and the vav makes the v sound as in very.